Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I kind of thought of before this I was speaking of a song. I just spat everywhere. I was thinking of a song because I've been messing around with my lighting and stuff, just because I kind of like the ring light on its own, but then I'm like, you're not getting the full effect because I record off my iPad, because my iPad's supposed to be 4K, but I actually don't like filming in 4K. For some reason, I don't know if it's like the lighting or the backdrop, or I don't know what it is, but the quality just looks a bit shit. And yeah, like the quality just doesn't look as good as my old camera that I had to sell. So I was poor. I'm still making content, and that's the main thing right now. As you can see, like my pores are absolutely sickening massive. I have powdered, but I might actually put a little bit more powder there just to see if I can get rid of those pores, because oh my god, I didn't even know I had pores there. What the f? Okay, so that might be a little better. I've just put a little bit of Fenty Beauty Pro Filter powder on. Usually I'd use the Nicki Dry one because y'all know that is my ride or die. But, you know, it's fancy a little change. But yeah, let me know in the comments if that's done anything to my pores. So I've gone a little bit OTT with the bronzer. I am sorry, I don't even know if it's blended properly. I kind of feel as though it is, but I don't know if the lights are like doing me dirty, but oh well. So moving on to the point of this video, I went to Primark, like I don't even know, about 2 weeks ago, maybe a little bit more, and I just went wild. I saw loads of stuff. I basically went in there for eyeliner. Oh my god. I basically went in there for lip liner, just because I don't have any lip liners whatsoever, and I didn't want to spend loads of money on it, just because like it's a lip liner. Like if it's lip pencil, oh my god no. If it's a lipstick or like a liquid lip or anything like that, I don't mind spending the money. But if it's a lip liner, I just don't see the point in spending a lot of money. So when I went in there, mate, £1 £1 fish. £1 fish! And also some of the lipsticks were like 90p, 90 pence. I can't even cope, right? I got some of those and we're going to be swatching some today. But before you click off this video and think, that's boring, oh my god. I have been dying to film this video for so long because I need to get these motherfuckers out in the world. And it is these highlighting palettes. There's two, £6 each, guys. And wait until you see them. Wait until you see them. So if you watch my Hollyboon video, you'll have already seen these on the tricks. But before we get to the main event, aka the highlighters, we're gonna be swatching some lipsticks. And I know what you're all thinking as well. What is this on my inner corners? Well, my little darlings, I will show you. So before we get into the main event of this wonderful video, I just want to quickly shout out my girl Jenna. If you also live under a rock, Jenna is like quite a big personality online. So she's like on Facebook, on Instagram. She does a lot of she's built a career. A career is like literally mental. Absolutely mental. When I first went to the academy, basically I heard about there was a couple of people I kind of knew of Jenna tutorials, people that were adding me and stuff, and I kind of knew her-ish, and I was just like, what's this? Who is she? And basically I saw that she did lives, really good, absolutely sick. And also with me doing YouTube, I just thought, oh well, yeah, cool, you're a YouTuber and you're I don't know, really good, yeah, you get what I mean. So I kind of insulted her one time because she came to the academy and she got her makeup done, I met her and stuff, it was sick. And then this is turning into a story time, I'm so sorry, but I've just got to do this. And yeah, after I think it was after, no, it was just before while I was at the academy, I basically was I should maybe do your makeup for YouTube one time and show you the P. Louise way and all this lot. And she came back, I basically found out about how big like a career has been like, because literally she's done so much amazing stuff. You know, like a turtle, it's like where like the red goes into the shell. That's what I felt like. So I was just like, I'm so sorry for like insulting you. All that aside, I just wanted to tell you a little bit of a story. You can hear the rattling, but skip a few months later, she has come out with her own brand, her own cosmetics brand. I started like following Jenna and like just basically stalking her until she followed me back, and she did follow me back. So if you want to stalk someone, do it. I'm kidding, don't do it. She's come out with her own cosmetic line. Oh my god, I'm going to shut that window because the birds won't shut the f*** up. I'm so glad I shut that window because the birds have stopped chirping, but it's so warm in front of these lights. So yeah, anyway, she's come out with her own cosmetic line and she came out with pigments. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll have seen that I actually used these, and this is the one that I used. Like, how sick is that? So that's what like the lid looks like. It's so beautiful. And the good thing is about these pigments is £3 something. They're like less than £4 for a pigment. Like, how sick is that? She's got such an amazing range. I'll try and link her website downstairs. What the fuck? I'll try and link her website down below just so you can like go and check it out if you want to. But yeah, she's got so many pigments, and I've got this yellow on my inner corner. Like, how absolutely, I ain't got nothing else on my eyes. I've just got this pigment on my inner corner. So if you want like a full dedicated videos on these pigments, let me know. I plan on doing one anyway, so I don't know why I told you that story earlier. But if you do want a full video on these, let me know and I'll do one. So guys, back to the main event. So I've just prepped and primed my lips with some Fenty Beauty lip balm. So yeah, I'll show you the lip liners first and then I'll show you the lipsticks. So they're kind of corresponding to each other-ish. So basically like these are all a pound. So I've got like a pinkish one, dark brown. Some of them will look a little bit like the same. This is more like a ready turn. Can you see? I'll hold them, try and hold them up all together. So yeah, like a few of them do look the same, but we've got like a brown, we've got like a ready brown, and got like a beige brown, pinky brown, like a more nude. I think this one's my favourite. I think this is the foxy one or something. I can't remember, but oh no, is that one? No, I can't remember. But yeah, then we've got like a red one. This isn't like a really good red, it's like an orangey red. But yeah, those are the lip liners, and I've already tried these, and they really remind me of the Kylie Jenner ones. So. Mate. And then these are the lipsticks. So again, we've got like a pinky one, a reddy one that matches the lip liners. Like, they basically all kind of match the lip liners. Most of the ones that I've got are a matte formula, apart from this one. This is like a more creamy formula. So yeah, we're gonna test them and swatch them. I don't know if I'll do them all, probably will. But yeah, we'll see and we'll jump straight into it. So like, they're actually really beautiful and creamy. Like, I'm so sorry about my tan, like, I'm sorry. But yeah, like, they're just really nice and creamy. Now, the lipsticks, when you get them, it's like a bullet. When you open it, it's obviously like just the usual lipstick form. But these have like a really like vanilla scent. Kind of like a just a usual lipstick, but these are so, it's like a strong scent. It's kind of like vanilla Play-Doh basically. So yeah, if scent does bother you, that's something to note, but I mean, they are really kind of strong, but oh well. So I'm just going to go ahead and line my lips and we'll show you what it's like. Right, so that's the lip liner. I'm really bad at putting lip liners on, but oh well. Okay, so then here we go. Wow. I think this was like £1. Look at that pigment for £1. Right, so I kind of feel as though that's like not straight, but I feel as though it's the lip liner. I didn't put the lip liner on properly. But the lipstick went on so beautiful, so if this isn't straight, I'm so sorry, but I maybe should have put a bit of foundation on my lips beforehand, but this is so pigmented to say that this is what, 90 something p. But yeah, for 90p, like, so far I'm so impressed. absolutely amazing. This is more like a satin one, so what I'll do is I'll just like see if it transfers onto my hand. Okay, so it definitely transfers, and this is supposed to be a matte formula, so yeah, but ooh, look at that lip, yes girl! Alright guys, so I think I'm going to skip a few because this is just not my thing, doing lip swatches and stuff. Like, it's just literally not my thing. I'm getting so bored. So far these lip pencils are really going on really nice. I'm shit at putting lip liner on. I need to practice a little bit more. But yeah, so far these are really nice. Can't fault them. The lipsticks, these are so beautiful, absolutely so gorgeous. The gliding on, really nice. They don't feel too drying, even though they say matte. They are transferring, but as I say, they're not uncomfortable, they're not drying, they're just really, really beautiful. So for like £1.50, like, you can't go wrong. These are so nice. So I did a pink, I've been doing like pink lipsticks for like the past few videos and Instagram looks, so I'm just gonna go in with like a little nude one. So I'm not gonna line my lips because I'm just going to go straight in with a lipstick, so I'll show you that now. This one, I think I've tried this one before and it is a little bit drier than the rest though. Okay, so when I first bought this, I really liked it, but at the moment, my life, I don't like it. Alright, so I'm just going to top that lipstick with some Hollyboon lip gloss, and this is, well, HMB Cosmetics lip gloss, and this is in the shade Feeling Myself. And if you haven't yet seen my review / video on these lip products, I'll link that below as well. Alright guys, so the moment we've all been waiting for, including myself, the highlighting palettes. When I say that these are by far the best highlighting palettes I think I've ever used for the price, it's an understatement, because these palettes are up there with the greats, and I am shook. And first of all, I'd like to point out that they're cruelty free for one. Like, that is so amazing. And they are £6 for 6 highlighters. Like, I can't even go. So I'm going to show you what they look like, because you're going to be absolutely shocked. So I'm going to start off with this one first. This one is called Glow Up. So guys, this is the palette. It's absolutely so beautiful. Like, I'm trying to like get the lights to show you, but oh, it's such a beautiful, diverse palette. It's more cool toned, I'd say. It's absolutely so good. And then this one is Glow Getter. So this one is, I think everyone's gonna go for this one, and I think everyone's gonna say that this one reminds them of the Mitchell palette. So guys, here we have the palettes. How insane and beautiful are these? Like, when I saw these and then I saw the price, I swatched them and I was like, holy f***. So I'm gonna swatch a couple now. So I'm gonna I'll swatch this one, and then I'll swatch this white one here. Like, what the fuck? Like, look at that. Like, look at that white one. Like, how insane is that? Like, right, let's swatch this one. In fact, yeah, let's swatch this one. Like, that one's just like real thingy, but like, I can't even curve. So I haven't really got arm space, so I'm not going to swatch them all, but we are going to put them on the face and you'll be able to see what they look like, because yeah, shook. I've been dying to get this video out there, and I'm so happy that I'm actually filming this right now. So I don't know what palette to go into, I really do. I mean, I'll use one on my nose, I'll probably put one up here maybe. Okay, Okay, so first up I'll go into Glow Getter, and I think I'll go into this shade Sundown here. So just pick some on my brush. This doesn't even have a mirror in it, but just picking some on my brush, and I'm going to actually put some on my eyelids here. And I'm not sure what you can see, but like it's just made it look so beautiful and glowy, like. So next up I'm gonna take, I think I'm gonna go in with Ibiza Nights, which is this white one, like this is so scary. But with that I'm just gonna run it through my brow bone. So like that's just like, oh my god. Just give it a real nice, like, oh, I just love it. I am cleaning my brush in between as well, guys. So I'm just gonna go into the Glow Up palette, and I'm gonna take the shade Glow Together, and I'm gonna mix it with Love Stroke, and this is what's gonna go on my cheeks. So I just turned a couple of the lights off just so you can see, because it was kind of washing everything out, but like literally the lights were washing everything out, but like even that brow bone, like So I'm going back into the Glow Getter palette, and I'm taking Miami Vibes, and that's going down the bridge of my nose. Like, snatched, got on the tip, like, Rudolph, bit on the chin. And then I'm gonna take Beach Party, which is that middle shade, like, oh my god, that middle shade. And I'm just gonna put this a little bit on my forehead. Alright guys, and that concludes the highlighting palettes. But look at that, I had to turn my lights off because it just, like, look at that now. Like, I don't know why it washes the highlighters out, but like, look at that, they're just so beautiful. They're the best highlighting palettes, and for £6 each, like, oh, look at that, oh my god, obsessed. Okay guys, so that brings this video to a conclusion. Honestly, Primark are stepping their game up. I had a Primark video a while ago and that did really well, so I feel like Primark videos tend to do quite well. I just can't even believe it to say that I went in for lipsticks and I came out with like an amazing highlighting palette, well, 2 of them, and also like the lipsticks and everything like that. Like, I'm absolutely gobsmacked at the quality. It's absolutely outstanding. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, please subscribe, and leave a little cheeky comment down below what you want to see next time, what you thought of this video, what I can improve on. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in my next video.